AI will replace these 12 jobs by 2027. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the job market. A staggering prediction suggests that 40% of jobs worldwide will be displaced by technology, making it imperative for professionals to adapt and stay ahead of the curve. In this video, we will delve into the profound impact of AI on various professions and discuss how individuals can not only survive but thrive in this AI-driven era. Graphic designers, adapting to the age of AI. Graphic designers, known for their creative flair, are facing the imminent threat of AI automation. With the remarkable progress in AI, cutting-edge design tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion have emerged. These powerful software applications analyze trends, styles, and user preferences to create visually striking and unique graphics within seconds. As AI continues to advance, the necessity for human intervention in the design process diminishes. Rather than perceiving AI as a threat, graphic designers can harness its power to enhance their work. Collaborating with AI tools streamlines the design process, enabling designers to focus on higher-level tasks that demand their creative expertise. By leveraging AI's capabilities to generate preliminary designs or explore different visual possibilities, designers can effectively incorporate AI into their workflow. This collaboration ultimately results in more efficient and creative design processes. Translators and interpreters, embracing specialization. The translation industry is experiencing a revolution with AI-powered tools like ChatGPT. These tools can provide highly accurate translations in real time, even understanding idioms and cultural nuances. While there will always be a need for human expertise in highly specialized or sensitive translations, the demand for general translation services is likely to diminish. To stay relevant, human translators must adapt and find new avenues to showcase their unique skills. One potential path is specialization in niche areas that demand a deep understanding of culture, context, and subject matter expertise. By focusing on complex legal, medical, technical, or literary translations, translators can position themselves as indispensable experts. Customer service and support representatives, a new role emerges. Customer service and support representatives in call centers are increasingly being complemented by AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. These intelligent systems can understand natural language, analyze customer data, and provide instant solutions to common problems, raising the bar for service quality while reducing operational costs. Facing this challenge, customer service professionals should focus on developing skills that complement AI technologies rather than competing directly with them. This includes roles such as customer success managers, relationship managers, or customer experience strategists, which require human touch and emotional intelligence. By emphasizing their ability to understand and empathize with customers on a deeper level, human agents can provide a unique value proposition. Assembly line jobs, adapting to automation. AI-powered robots are assuming a prominent role in the manufacturing sector. These intelligent machines operate tirelessly, ensuring consistent output and reducing the likelihood of errors. This automation revolution promises increased productivity and cost savings, but it also brings the unsettling prospect of job displacement for many workers. To address this challenge, workers should equip themselves with the necessary skills to adapt and thrive in an automated world. One avenue is to participate in the development and maintenance of AI-driven robots. By upskilling and reskilling, they can find employment in designing, operating, and maintaining these advanced machines. Another potential pathway is the growth of industries that complement automation, such as robotics consultancy and process optimization. Data entry and data processing jobs, upskilling for AI. Algorithms and technology have revolutionized data entry and data processing tasks. AI-powered data analytics tools can quickly sift through massive datasets, identify patterns, and provide valuable insights. Individuals in these roles must proactively seek ways to adapt their skills and remain competitive in a rapidly changing job market. Upskilling in data analysis and data science is one way to complement AI. By acquiring proficiency in AI-driven data analytics tools and techniques, individuals can position themselves as experts in extracting insights from complex datasets. They can also explore opportunities in areas where human judgment and contextual understanding are crucial, such as data governance, data privacy, and ensuring compliance with regulations. Content writers, the human touch. AI's rise poses a potential threat to various media jobs, including content creators. AI technologies like ChatGPT excel in reading, writing, and comprehending text-based data, granting them the ability to analyze and interpret vast amounts of language-based information. The media industry has already begun experimenting with AI-generated content. Content creators can differentiate themselves by infusing their work with authenticity, creativity, and their unique perspectives. They should focus on offering critical analysis, emotional resonance, and a deep understanding of human experiences, qualities that set human-created content apart from AI-generated counterparts. Accounting and bookkeeping, embracing data analysis. Accounting tasks such as reconciling accounts and generating financial reports are becoming increasingly automated with the help of AI. To stay relevant, basic accountants and bookkeepers can incorporate data analysis into their skill sets. By acquiring knowledge of data analysis techniques and tools, they can complement their existing expertise with the ability to identify patterns, trends, and anomalies in financial data. Additionally, they can explore opportunities in financial technology, fintech, which has given rise to innovative solutions such as automated bookkeeping platforms and AI-powered financial advice. By familiarizing themselves with these technologies, accountants can position themselves as knowledgeable professionals capable of leveraging the power of AI for the benefit of their clients or employers. Proofreaders and copy editors, partners with AI. AI-powered tools have become highly proficient in detecting grammar and syntax errors, suggesting improvements in writing style, and enhancing overall readability. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, proofreaders and copy editors can leverage these AI-driven tools to their advantage. By combining the precision and efficiency of AI with the nuanced understanding and creative input of human editors, the industry can evolve to meet the demands of an ever-changing digital landscape. Market research analysts, complementing AI insights. AI-driven data analytics tools have the capacity to gather and process vast amounts of information, providing valuable insights for businesses. Market research analysts must adapt their skills to harness the full potential of AI-driven data analytics. By combining human intuition and critical thinking with AI-powered insights, analysts can provide more accurate and comprehensive reports. Financial planners and tax preparers, a personalized approach. AI-powered robo-advisors are changing the landscape of personalized investment advice and tax preparation. To stay relevant, financial planners and tax preparers can offer specialized services that go beyond the capabilities of AI. They can focus on complex financial scenarios, estate planning, retirement strategies, and building strong client relationships. Legal assistance, specialization and soft skills. AI's ability to review contracts, conduct legal research, and predict case outcomes challenges traditional legal support roles. Legal assistants can specialize in complex legal matters that require intricate knowledge and experience, as well as develop soft skills, such as communication, rapport building, and navigating complex legal situations. These qualities set human professionals apart from AI-driven tools. Junior software developers, adapting and growing. The rapid advancement of AI, especially in text-based AI tools, is transforming software development. Junior developers must focus on cultivating specialized expertise that complements AI technology. They can master niche programming languages, delve into advanced AI algorithms, or work on complex projects requiring human creativity and problem-solving abilities. AI is reshaping various professions, but it does not signify the end of human ingenuity. Instead, it presents an opportunity for professionals to adapt, embrace technological advancements, and grow alongside AI. By focusing on specialization, soft skills, and collaborative models, individuals can remain indispensable in an AI-driven world. The future belongs to those who adapt and evolve with the changing technological landscape. AI is set to revolutionize our world by 2027, with exciting developments across various sectors. These predictions provide a glimpse of an AI-powered future where technology enhances our lives in ways we can only imagine. If you've reached this point, please drop a comment down below to let us know you've absorbed the valuable insights from this video. If you enjoyed this content, consider sharing it with your friends and family.